Truman says it sounds like the stories affect how Africa thinks about Africa might be more important than changing what other people, or rather the world, thinks about Africa. And then Annie is from Indigo Homes, Ghana, a residential real estate developer. She says, thank you for featuring their founder and CEO, Cheryl Mills, and shaping the Africa story. Abraham says the impact you have created to every aspiring African entrepreneur is immeasurable. You are the light of all Africa. Much appreciations to you from South Sudan. And then I'll read the last one for now, which is from Iswazi, which says, hello, good evening. You and Tayo Aina really inspire Iswazo. Hopefully one day they get to be like both of you as they're working on their craft daily, and I really appreciate.
Those are beautiful comments. Thank you.
Wow. It's wonderful to just see